I can tell on the floor of the House कि if we have identified 3 issues, which is related to allotment, affirmment, mutation, सगळे करून 5 महिन्या भितर समज हे 2 म्युटेशनां जाता without any proper valid papers, जाल्यार it is a fit case, Speaker sir, to look at criminal angle and a corruption angle. ताज्या खातीर पयले म्हणल्यार जागो सांबाळपाक, Speaker sir, under section 192 of LRC 1968, the government will immediately carry out revision of the orders passed by the joint Mamlatdar and protect the interest of the communidade. 1. Number 2, show cause notice and disciplinary action, whatever is required, will be taken. Polo show cause notice, Speaker sir, and whatever is required against the communidade, that action will be taken. 2. 3, Speaker sir, J government officer hatun involved asa, kidak prima facie it looks like some joint Mamlatdar tennacho nale administrator tennacho has been in connivance with certain people of the communidade or somebody. As of today, the allegations, but prima facie it looks to be a case of corruption and criminal activity. Taja Khatir, Speaker sir, G necessary inquiries hai, J disciplinary proceedings hai, through Honorable CM brief korun, we will ensure that whatever action needs to be taken will be taken in the interest of the Goans. Kidak khunche land, Speaker sir, आमी जेन्ना आज land आणि हाजे खातीर झगडटात, अशी लँडाची दुरुपयोग करूंक शकनात.
This is one case which has come to light in the House. All the comunidades, right from Serula to Anjuna comunidade, these cases are happening. I want you to direct the Mamlatdar, whatever such orders are that are on right now happening all over Goa, comunidade for land transfer jata, they solely recorded adpache poil jawpa jaye, and all action should be taken for everybody. And muge request our Chief Minister, will give this land to some good hospital. Let us give treatment for our people, which will be given free. Free
Sadhya Code of Komudadir, they are being governed by the Code of Komudad. Jenna amendments eta, we will take your suggestions also if required, other than the amendments received by the Commission to make into this.